Hello everyone, back tuning into the Weekend Forecast. A bit late with Weekend Forecast today, but absolutely drenched in a torrential rainstorm earlier on. So I've been drying out. But here is the Weekend Forecast, having a detailed look at the weekend. I think we're going to have more heavy rain, actually. There are going to be showers today, and there'll be bands of rain coming through throughout the week. It's not great at all. We're heading towards high summer now, the 1st of July on Friday, and if anything, the charts are deteriorating and becoming more changeable. So you're going to need to keep your waterproofs and your brolly handy, I think, for the coming week. We'll have a look in a second. Before I get on with that, just to say about the ads, there's links to articles on all the pages. If you have a browser widgets and click through the links, you'll be able to pay the website. Thanks very much for doing that. Video ads, both of the pages. They own that content, but you watch them and close back up again. Does have to pay for gaswellvis.com. The website's using 4 weekend forecasts coming from bobout.com and webtech.de. You can find a link to both websites on the links page. Later on, we'll have a 3-month look ahead with the JMA. We'll be looking at July, August and September. That'll be on the homepage later on this afternoon, around 5-6 o'clock. Right, let's have a look at the radar picture then. And these are the big showers. I'm sure one I got caught up in is there somewhere amongst this rash of showers. There's bright colours in there indicating torrential rain in places and no doubt giving thunder as well. Let's see if there's any lightning flashing away. See, there's a lot of lightning flashing away here in the southern part of the country. So thunderstorms, lightning, torrential rain, probably hail mixed in place as well. It's all going to be happening through the course of this afternoon. The reason why is that I've got this trough of low pressure sitting over country. It is actually a little bit more to the east. So if we look down towards the southwest, there are showers close to the Glastonbury area. And I think there'll be further showers on and off the Glastonbury through this afternoon. But the worst of these, probably more for the eastern side of the country. That's particularly the trend as we go through the day, with the south and west or southwest tending to become a little bit drier with time. So that's it for this afternoon. We're going to keep it very unsettled with showers along with spells of rain across many parts of the country. I say longer spells of rain because it's quite light winds today. There's not much wind to blow these showers through, so they're going to be slow moving, and don't be surprised if some of these downpours last half an hour or so. There will be sunny spells in between the showers though, so there will be a little bit of sunshine coming through, and of course you could get lucky and miss the showers altogether, but as we've seen from the radar picture, there are a lot of them around. The west and southwest tending to be drier. Temperature today is also cooler compared to recent days and quite a bit fresher as well, so temperatures will be ranging around 15 to 20 degrees. Now we go through to tonight, and we're going to find showers in the evening, but they will ease off through the course of the night, so many places will be dry by the end of the night, with clear spells coming through. It's going to be quite chilly as well tonight, with temperatures down to around, say, 7 to 12 degrees. Quite a fresh night, really, for the end of June. By the end of the night, cloud and rain will be arriving into Northern Ireland. On Sunday, we're trying to put a little bit of a reach from the southwest, but really low pressure in control, and another weather system is coming in off the Atlantic. So I think we're going to have quite a cloudy, damp start across Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Otherwise, fair amount of sunshine, but this cloud and shower rain will spread across the country through the course of the day, with many northern areas actually having quite a wet afternoon. The south and southeast probably staying mainly dry, albeit cloudy, through daylight hours anyway, and then showery rain will move through during the course of the evening and overnight. Temperatures on Sunday are going to be ranging from around 15 to 20 again, so not particularly exciting temperatures. Monday is probably our best day of the week. We're going to build a little bit of a transient ridge in off the Atlantic with this bump in the isobars here. There's probably still going to be showery rain for Scotland, maybe a little bit in Northern Ireland, but the rest of the country will be mostly dry. There'll be a mix of sunny spells and variable cloud coming through, and it's going to feel fairly pleasantly warm as well because the sun is strong, so with light winds, sunshine coming through, particularly for England and Wales, temperatures around 20 or 21, whilst nothing to write home about really for middle of summer. It will at least feel fairly pleasant, a little bit cooler in the north. That's the best of it through the week, because on Tuesday this next area of low pressure is rolling in off the Atlantic, so although we might start off on a bright and sunny note on Tuesday morning. Heavy rain is going to sweep in through the course of the day on this area of low pressure. I think all places will turn wet on Tuesday afternoon with persistent and heavy outbreaks of rain moving from west to east. Temperatures are going to be very cool as well, just 13 to 17 probably, significantly cooler than average. And then we go through into Wednesday and we stay very unsettled. Low pressure is dominating the weather with another system moving in from off the Atlantic. So once again, although we might start off on a bright note, I think we'll find another bout of rain, this time more for England and Wales, moving in from the west. Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England is likely to have sunshine and showers. Those showers heavy with hail and thunder mixing. Quite tightly packed ice bars in the south as well, so it could be pretty windy up the channel. Temperatures really dismal for the time of year. Just 12 to 17 Celsius. Little bit better, I suppose, for Thursday. It's still very showery, but at least there'll be some sunny spells coming through. Low pressure to the north of Scotland, bringing in these showery westerly winds. So it is going to be a case of sunshine and showers on Thursday. Many shall be in north and west, but south and east getting the driest, brightest of the conditions. Temperatures a little bit better because there's more sunshine, probably ranging from around 15 to 20 degrees. But then on Friday, yet another area of low pressure is coming in from off the Atlantic. So more bouts of rain will be pushing in from the west. And this time there's some really tight-backed isobars with this as well. So it'll be a total surprise if the north and west has a risk of summer gales on Friday afternoon. It's the 1st of July on Friday. It does look pretty grim to start July, to say the least. Temperatures ranging from around 14 to 18 Celsius. And then we keep these unsettled conditions going into the weekend with low pressure driving in from off the Atlantic on both Saturday and Sunday. It looks really quite unsettled indeed. Finally, have a look at the charts from Weather Outlook so you can see weather in your area this week. So we've got lots of heavy showers across the country today. The southwest tending to be a little bit drier and brighter, but essentially it's a really showery day with hail and thunder mixed in with those showers. We go through into Sunday and we're going to find a bright start, but rain will move into the north and west through the course of the day, with many places turning wet on Sunday afternoon, especially in the north and the west. Monday, we're looking at the best day of the week. Still a few showers around, particularly so in the north, but many parts of the country are going to stay dry. And then on Tuesday, it might start off on a dry and bright note. We're going to find cloud and rain sweeping in across the country. Some of that rain will be very heavy. Showers or longer spells of rain on Wednesday, but more persistent rain probably in the south with showers further north. And then Thursday, it's sunshine and showers. And then again, showers, longer spells of rain possible on Friday, or likely on Friday, and it's possible that on Friday we might have some summer gales in the north as well. So, well, pick the bones out of that. In summary, it's going to be a very, very unsettled week coming up. Not at all what you want for high summer. It's showers or longer spells of rain, dismal temperatures, and there's not much more to say, really. Come back later on and see whether there's going to be an improvement later on in the summer when we're doing the July to September look ahead with the Japanese model. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.